Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, Ms. Retno will explain about how to use Pearson online learning. At first, type your username and password given by your teacher. So when it's done, click the sign in button. Here, you can look, there are two components, products and classes. In the component products, there are 6 levels, level 1 to level 6. Level 1 is for grade 1, level 2 for grade 2, and level 3 for grade 3 until level 6 for grade 6. Okay, now we click classes first. My class is 2R. This is only the examples, so we can click Al-Fath 2R. This is the account of one of the students, and there are 3 components here: assignment, performance, and overview. We check the assignment. We can click the assignment here, and then you can look at the assignment from unit 5 and then unit 6 and unit 7. When you want to do the assignment, so click the activity, so just like this, and then start activity, also like this, start the activity. Okay, now we continue to the performance. In performance component, you can check your skill. There are the scoring here for vocabulary, grammar, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Okay, now we back to dashboard. And then we check the products. Okay, in products, there are 5 components: my games, my homeworks, my practice, my school, and movie theater. We check one by one. In my games, there are 6, 7, and 8 units. You can play the games, so enjoy the fun learning by playing this game. And then check my homeworks. My homework is the same with assignment, unit 5, unit 6, and unit 7. You can do here. And then we skip the practice and we continue to my school. In my school component, there are 4 sub-components: songs and chant, workbook audio, course stories, island adventure games. Yeah, you can try one by one. And the last is movie theater. There are 2 sub-components, songs and story. Okay, so friends, thank you very much for today. I hope this tutorial will help you to explore this site, and thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.